Alright, what's up? Why is this all blurry? There we go. On our way to go get some gas, we have an exhaust leak. Troubleshoot where that exhaust leak may be coming from. Probably the cheapest way to go about it. Let's get to it. Alright, no harm getting it washed, right? And yeah, I use the brush because it's wrapped. Sue me. Sue me! I gotta say, probably the most perfect thing about having a wrap is that you just have to spray it down and you're good to go. Nothing to it. Alright, don't know what this is. This is a mechanic's stethoscope. What this does is this cone, you listen for noise. We already have pulley noise on this engine, and I can hear it. It sounds like it's coming from the water pump impeller on here. And this pulley here, holy moly, that is loud. I can hear that. Wow, 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 wow. I can hear that loud as day on that pulley right there. Ooh. I can hear a lot of air noise around this part here. Very possible seal issue. Just trying to hear around the headers, see if our gasket is bad, good, whatever. But yeah, that's how you use it. So I narrowed it down for exhaust leak purposes. I've heard a lot of air coming from the driver's side, not so much the passenger side. Passenger side was pretty quiet. You can actually, it's weird, you can actually hear the hissing, actually hear that those combustion gases leaving the headers, which is unreal. For me, this is a first time experience, so I apologize. I'm a little stoked about it. This will actually help me for a lot of future repairs. Namely, like this pulley, now I know how that I have to replace that because I was wondering where that noise was coming from, and I was scared that like, well maybe it's my timing chain tensioner is making a weird noise or something like that, because that's right around where the same area is where that noise is happening. But it turns out it is coming directly from this pulley. A lot of air escaping from the driver's side header where the gasket would be. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna investigate further. That's how you use it. So 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll provide the link below where I ordered this from. What a lifesaver this thing can be. Like, you can easily identify it with this. You don't need a crazy $100, $200, $300 smoke machine to, yes, it'll visually identify it. The issue is obvious. This is the ticket right here. I hope this helps somebody, and I hope that if somebody is looking into using one of these to troubleshoot their next repair, I highly recommend it. It's a lifesaver. So yeah, there you have it. You can yourself play car doctor and save yourself a bunch of money by spending just a little bit. Again, I'll provide the link below. It got to my house the very next day. It never dawned on me to use something like this for automotive repairs. Some people will chime into the comments and say, dude, this has been around forever. My side, like, I've never actually used one. This tool is going to be like one of the biggest in my arsenal as far as like identifying where a noise is coming from. Driving around and you hear like a rattle or go around with this thing, identify where that noise is coming from. Just want to make a nice quick short video on how to use one of these things. Very easy to use, obviously, but just to give you a real world example of why I used it. I have my replacement pulley now from AutoZone for like 15 bucks. So turns out it's a cheap repair. Identifying the exact pulley that was making the sound, or identifying the fact that it was a pulley in the first place and not what I thought it was. Bingo. So I hope this helped you guys. I'm sorry for going off on a little bit of a rant there, but play Car Doctor, order one for yourself. I promise you it is going to be the best investment you ever made. And yeah, first time user. Anyways, see you guys on the next one. We have some more videos coming. Subscribe, all that great stuff.